For visual spatial learners, which tool can be applied for effective learning? Would this be letter A, recording, letter B, interview segment, letter C, graphic organizer, or letter D, puzzle? The right choice here is letter C. When you say visual spatial learners, ito yung mga magagaling in the use of space. Kapag gumagawa po sila ng graphic organizers, madali po sa kanilang gumawa nito. Alright? So ito po, sinama ko na yung mga different types of graphic organizer po natin dito. If you are comparing, say two things or two or more things, what is the best graphic organizer that you can use? Okay? So kung ganyan po yung tanungan, Venn diagram po yung ating magiging sagot. Concept map, meron kang topic in the middle and you have the different characteristics here sa smaller circles. Flow chart, proseso po ito. Ano yung magiging first step mo, second step, and so on, no? Flower grids, po pwede po siyang maging concept map din or po pwede din po siyang may different questions pa dito. No? Column charts mo, isang example po nito is your KWL chart. K stands for what I know, what I already know about the topic. No? W is what I want to know about this topic and L there is what I learned. Taxonomies, po pwede din siyang sa hierarchy. Anong klase ng graphic organizer ang inyong pong gagamitin kapag kayong usapan is cause and effect. Fishbone diagram po yan.